Yes. Let's go to comprehension of unseen passage. So the first question in your monthly test is going to be on unseen passage. Yes, all others, you can turn off your cameras. Yes, you can turn off your cameras. I will let you know later. Okay. All right. Let's go to comprehension passages. And if you have got any doubt, you can ask me about that. 5 marks question is there in the monthly test. And in every test, in every examination, comprehension passage is very, very
अरे
important. Yes.
अरे
Yes. Anuradha, you want to tell something? Right? Are you able to see this screen? Yes. Are you able to
Yes,
see this
sir.
screen? Ah, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. Fine.
Visible.
Uh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Fine. Yes. Now see here, what is very important for the examination? That is what we are studying now. So let's become examination oriented. Now I have told you that there is going to be questions on unseen passage. So you have to read the passage very carefully and you have to understand the passage. What you can do is that first you try to understand the questions around the passage. Okay. Yes, Dinesh, can turn off your mic. All right. Now read each question given at the end of the passage. So read first the questions. What you can do, read the first question, then go to the passage that you can do it. Okay. Now somebody has asked me the meaning of the word comprehension. Comprehension means understanding. You have to understand the passage. So they may give you one paragraph, two paragraphs. There will be a passage, and you have to understand that passage. And the questions will be asked on your understanding. Okay, you have to understand the passage, right? So let's go to the zone, tackle one question at a time. Remember here, the kind of questions are going to be asked. There will be MCQs this time. Maybe in the second term, it will be subjective type of questions that will be asked, essay type of questions will be asked. But this time, it will be all MCQs, objective type of questions. So objective type of questions that will be easier for you to answer them. Okay. So now write the answer in your own words. Like if it's a subjective type of questions, then you can write in your own words. Now in the case of MCQs, that is not required. But we are studying this because this is very important for us, not only this monthly test, but it is going to be very important in periodic test, in final examination. Okay, because there'll be definitely questions on unseen passage. There'll be definitely questions on reading passage. And here, as you go on, you have to, yes, you have to go on increasing your vocabulary. You have to go on increasing your word power. Okay, so now I want all of you to quietly read the passage yourselves. Then afterwards, I will ask somebody to read out.
Sir, we, we don't have books, sir.
Yes, yes, Anuradha,
We don't have books, sir.
you won't get books.
Yes, sir.
You will get books.
Yes,
If you
sir.
come, if you come over to this one, then you will get books. Okay, or you can purchase anyway. There is no problem. Either you can purchase wherever you are there, but if you happen to come to Bijapur, you can yes buy it here also. I mean here also it will be deducted from your pocket money. Okay, I'll just go down a bit. You have asked, and I have already shared in the WhatsApp this. Okay, if you got book, you can open that and you
Yes, sir.
can read that.
Then in phone only you show, sir, that teddy bear passage, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. Krutarth. Pradeep Kumar Krutarth. Yes. Can you turn on your camera? Can you read this passage? Krutarth.
Sir,
Yes.
I can read.
Who wants to read? Okay, you. All right. Okay.
I read, sir, please.
Okay, read. I'll tell you the meaning. Don't worry about that. I'll tell you the meanings of the, yes, stuffed. What is stuffed means filled. Okay, you asked me the meaning of the word. Yes, who wants to read now? What is your name?
Sir, my
Yes.
name is Kumari Bharti.
Okay, read. Okay.
Sir,
All right. Yes.
sir,
Ah, yes.
sir.
Yes, Vinny. Right. Read.
Sir,
Yes, Kritarth.
I
Yes,
will read, sir, Anuradha, sir.
Anuradha. You. Okay, one of you start reading. There is no problem. Okay. Yes. Who wants to read? At least one paragraph you read. Later on, somebody else will read second paragraph. Okay.
Can I read Atharvaskati?
Yes, sir.
Reading, you have to read loud. See here, I am marking you on the basis of that. So that is the reason why I asked you to read that. Okay. Right.
Sir, sir, I will
So that's why I
Sir,
thought
I
I'll
want to
start from
read,
the
sir.
first.
Please keep
I thought of
quiet.
starting from the
Sir, shall
first
I
roll
read?
number. Okay,
Shall I
Vinny,
read, sir?
Taksha, start reading. Vinny, right, start reading.
Yes, sir. There are many different kinds of stuffed animals. Possibly the most popular stuffed animal is the stuffed boy bear, nicknamed the teddy bear. Have you ever
Sir, I read.
wondered how these cute little bears got their names? It's an interesting story.
Okay, Vinny, stop it here. Okay, right.
Sir,
Sir,
See,
I
first
read.
of all,
Satvik, sir. Sir, Satvik, sir.
Satvik,
I read.
sir, I will
I
read,
will
sir.
ask you later.
Sir, I will read.
I will ask you later. Okay, one by one, I'll just ask you.
Sohan Samrat. Sir,
I'll ask you one
Atharvaskati.
by one.
Shall I read?
Just a minute. I'm just,
Read.
yes,
Atharvaskati, sir.
yes.
Sir,
Uh,
may I read, sir?
Sir,
Anuradha, sir.
Sir, Samar. Sir, Atharvaskati. Sir, may I read?
Sir, I want to read.
Don't make noise in
See
the
here,
class. Please be quiet. Yes,
boys here. Yes. Uh, I said one by one because I'm going to mark. So that's why I'm asking you to read one by one. Just a minute. Somebody asked me the meaning of the word stuffed. Stuffed means filled. Okay. So there. So for now, in the case of this, stuffed means filled. Very good, Ishan. Now here, first of all, you have to read this passage. Sometimes you won't know the meaning of many of the words. You need not worry about that. If you don't know the meaning of the word stuffed, you need not worry about that. Why you shouldn't worry? Because what is the question that you have to concentrate? What is the question that you have to concentrate? Sometimes they may not ask you the questions on that particular word. So the word, every word is not that it's a very important to understand the passage. Not necessary so. So there's no problem even if you don't know anything. So what is there? How we can understand that? Many. So there are many different kinds of animals. If you have not understood the word stuff, don't worry about that. So many different kinds of stuffed animals. Okay, how you understand this? That is very important. So comprehension refers to understanding, and whether you have been able to understand the passage. That is what is very important. Okay, so when you are reading a story, it's not that every word you'll be, referring in the dictionary when you don't know the meaning. How you should read. That is what is very important here. Okay, right. Next, possibly the most popular stuffed animal is a stuffed toy bear nicknamed the teddy bear. So somebody is in lobby. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I'll admit them. Right, right. Now, possibly, see here, when you are reading it, you have to catch the rhythm there. Okay, when you're reading it, you try to catch the rhythm there. There are many, see, Vinny has read now, but I'm just telling you that there are many students from Hindi medium, there are many students from Kanda medium. They may find it difficult at the beginning. So you don't worry about that, but you try so that your friends also will correct there, because within 1 month or 2 months, you'll find yourselves reading very well. But unless you try, yes. So at first I will ask, some of these boys who can read well, or some of those boys from English medium, others also from Kannada medium or from Hindi medium also, you can try, right? Okay. Now, listen to me first. So, at first, you try to catch the rhythm in the sentence. Like here, I'll just read out this first passage, first paragraph in this passage. There are many different kinds of stuffed animals. Possibly, the most popular stuffed animal is a stuffed toy bear nicknamed the teddy bear. Have you ever wondered how these cute little bears got their names? It's an interesting story. So when there's question, there has to be rising tone. Sometimes there has to be falling tone. That is what is very important. Okay, now there are so many boys who wants to read. So and somebody, yes, Varun has told me that he is from Kanda Medium. I'm very happy that today you are, yes, you are communicating with me in chat box. So definitely that will reduce our, yes. Yes, Ishan, you read so that others who are from Kannada medium, I'll give the chance later. So Ishan, you read the second one because it's a little bit difficult one. Second one, right? Read the.
Sir, I will read, sir.
In
Ishan, at first you read, then Punya Shloka, you
okay.
read the third one.
Third one I
Okay,
will
third.
read, sir. Okay, sir.
In
Yes,
nine
Read,
start.
sir.
in
Yes, start.
190 in
Yes.
1902, President Theodore Roosevelt was on a hunting trip in the Mississippi. One of the other hunters had chased a bear up a tree. He told the president to shoot it. President Roosevelt, who was well known as a sportsman, refused to shoot the bear. He said it was unsportsmanlike. A newspaper made a cartoon about President Roosevelt's refusal.
Okay, very good. Good. Okay. I'll just read out once again this paragraph. In 1902, President Theodore Roosevelt was on a hunting trip in Mississippi. One of the other hunters had chased a bear up a tree. He told the president to shoot it. President Roosevelt, now comma is there, take a pause. President Roosevelt, who was well known as a sportsman, again take a pause, refused to shoot the bear. Now whenever full stop is, take a longer pause. He said it was unsportsmanlike. A newspaper made a cartoon about President Roosevelt's refusal. Okay. Now third paragraph. Who is reading now third paragraph? Yes,
Sir,
Atharva.
Punya Shlok.
Punesh, yes.
I want to read, sir.
Let Punesh read. I'll give the chance. See, we are going to read a lot. Don't
Sir,
worry
shall
about
I
it.
read?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Punesh, start.
According to a popular legend, a shopkeeper saw the cartoon and asked the president's permission to make a stuffed bear called Teddy Bear. Teddy was a nickname for Theodore, and although the president disliked the name, many people
Sir, your
still
voice is
call him
breaking.
by that name.
Who is saying that it's a breaking? See, it's not my voice, and it's quite clear. Maybe I see when somebody is reading, also you are telling it's a breaking. Who is that boy who is telling always breaking? Yes, I can just hear your voice is quite clear. Yes, but when you see, it's not me who was reading. It was Punish Loko he was reading, but it was quite clear. I think it was quite clear to everybody. Yes.
Yes,
Um,
sir. Yes,
so
sir.
Ishant, now Ishant will read the question now. Yes, Ishant, read the question. See, those who are from Kannada medium will give them chance for reading the questions. Now, Varun, yes, Vishant, and paragraphs will be read by those who are from English medium. Yes,
Sir, I
Ishant,
Sathak, sir.
yes, read.
Yes, sir.
Can I tell first answer
No, don't tell.
after
I'm
the
not asking the answers of the question. Yes, Ishant, read that.
Where did President Roosevelt go hunting?
Where did President Roosevelt go hunting? Very good. Ishant, where did President Roosevelt go hunting? Where did President Roosevelt go hunting? And what is the answer for this?
Mississippi.
Mississippi. In the Mississippi. But in the Mississippi. Very good. See here, you can write Mississippi or in the
Mississippi, sir.
Mississippi. Rather than writing Mississippi, you can write in the Mississippi. Yes, Krita.
Sir,
Yes.
the president goes to hunting to Mississippi.
Very good.
The
See,
president went on a hunting trip to the Mississippi.
right. Goes, it should be past tense form. And what is past tense form of go? Went, not gone. So
go went
therefore,
on.
in the what should be there? Went. President Roosevelt went on a hunting trip to Mississippi. To Mississippi. Okay, right? It should be to Mississippi or in Mississippi.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt, sir. In Mississippi, after that to Mississippi.
It should be to Mississippi. Okay, you can write to
Okay,
Mississippi. Yes, you should write to Mississippi there. So went on a hunting to Mississippi. But why it is used here? Was on a hunting trip. There it is given hunting trip. Now we are seeing that he went on a he went on hunting to Mississippi. I hope you understood that when it's a hunting trip, then it's yes, then in that case in Mississippi. Okay, okay, good. Okay, boys and girls, let's go to the next one now. Some boys are waiting there. That I'm just admitting them. Okay, we are going to the second question. What is the second question? Now, Varun, who wants to read now? From Kannada medium or Hindi medium? Somebody from
Sir,
Hindi medium.
shall I read? Sir, shall I read?
Yes, Samarth. Okay, right. Somebody from Kannada medium.
Why did
Why did the president
the president refuse to shoot the bear?
Okay, very good. Why did the president refuse to shoot the bear? Did he? Okay. Now here Ishan has given the answer in the chat box. Very good. Now here
Said
tell
it
me.
was unsportsman like.
The president refused to shoot the
So
bear
it
because
was
he thought it was
unsportsmanlike.
unsportsmanlike.
It was unsportsmanlike. No,
It was
president refused to shoot the
unsportsmanlike.
bear because he felt that it was yes.
The
It
beer
was
because he said it was sportsman.
okay. Read. Read the answer. Yes, read the answer. Yes, read the answer. Yes.
Did the president refuse to the school of to
the president refused to shoot the bear because
Yes.
it was
Because why? Because he
it was
felt that because he felt that or because yes
the bear
because
is
he felt that it
unsportsmanlike.
was unsportsmanlike. Okay, this time it will be very easy because what they will give is that options will be given, but we are preparing for the final examination also. Okay, this time the monthly test and term and examination will be very easy because MCQs will be there. But next time, so that's why you have to prepare for that also, right? Okay, we'll go to the next one now.
Exams will there be the holidays?
Yes, after exams, holidays will be there. Yeah,
How much days will be
third
holidays, sir?
question. Yes, pass it. Yes,
how did the toy get the name teddy bear?
very good.
From the name
Okay.
of the corridor, the toy
Uh,
got
How did the toy get the name teddy
The
bear?
toy got the
See.
name teddy bear because the
see,
shopkeeper.
wait. Ishan, the
How
toy
did
got the
toy
name.
get
I'm just
the name
looking at that.
teddy bear?
The toy get. What is the past tense of get? Got.
Got.
Your toy got the name. This is very important. When I'm checking
Yes,
your paper, no, toy got the name teddy bear after the name of the president, Theodore. Yes. Then you can write a very long answer. Okay. You can write a yes. What is there now? That all you can repeat there. How he got the name teddy bear? How yes? How it got? Because here, accord. Yes. What has happened here? So the third paragraph is dealing with that. Which one is dealing with that? Third paragraph is dealing with that. Can you see here? So if you want, you can write the big answer also. Can you write here? It can be written big answer. The shopkeeper saw the cartoon. So in the cartoon, what was there? He had refused, no, to shoot the bear. So the cartoon was president's refusal to shoot the bear.
The toy got the name teddy bear because
Ah,
the president's permission to make a stuffed bear called teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Sir, I'll tell.
okay.
The toy got the name Teddy Bear because
Not get the
the
name. Got the
shopkeeper
name.
saw the cartoon and wanted to make a stuffed bear
Ah.
called Teddy Bear. Teddy was a
Ah.
nickname for president. Although he disliked the name, many people called him by that name.
Okay, okay, boys. Okay, now once I ask you to stop, you can stop. See here, this particular question is a little bit difficult question, isn't it? So how will you write that? See, in the examination, like these questions will come, then you have to think over that. Some questions will be very easy, some questions will be difficult. Okay, some questions will be. That is why I keep on asking you. You have to write in your own words. Like here in the case of this question, how will you write? The president
Sir,
refused.
in
No,
exam
third
you
one.
are giving the passage, sir.
Yes.
In exam you
See,
are giving passage.
yes, I am giving the passage. That is the reason why I have taken up this. Though this chapter is later, why I have taken up this? Because there is unseen passage this time in the examination. And there are going to be questions on that, but this unseen passage is going to be easier one, because I have kept this in mind that Hindi, yes, medium boys and Kanda medium boys, keeping that in mind, the passage is not going to be very difficult. It's going to be easier one. Okay, all those words which you have come across, those words will be there in that passage. So that's why for English medium boys there's no problem at all. But yes, we'll move on to the next question. Shall we move on to the next question? Right, because some many of those they have given the answer from English medium boys. Okay, let's see the. Yes, now who wants to read from Hindi medium or Kannada medium? Somebody can.
Sir, Kannada medium shall I?
Ah, yes, read.
Yes, sir. Sir, shall
Yes,
I read from Kannada medium?
yes, one of you.
Teddy bears.
Ah,
Real bears. Real bears. Teddy bears.
Teddy bears are real bears. No,
False, sir.
false. Eight points.
see, right.
Teddy bears are
Very
named
good that some of
after
you have given the answers there.
Roosevelt. Teddy bears are the president liked. Can I read him?
See,
True.
of Pritham, you read one at a time. See, for yes, those who are raising hand only they will read. Yes, yes, Pritham, read. Uh, Atharva wants to read. Yes, one at a time. Yes, Atharva. Right, very good. Yes, yes, Atharva, read.
Teddy bears are real bears.
Mummy record.
President Roosevelt shoot a bear. True. Teddy bears are named after President Roosevelt. True. The president liked his nickname. False.
Okay, all of you turn off your mic. I think somebody, yes, if somebody is speaking at home, please turn off your mic because
sir.
Sir,
it is
answer.
heard by everybody. Okay, those who are reading,
Answer, sir.
okay, we'll see the answers now. First one, teddy bears are real bears. True or false?
Sir, I have a false.
Yes, what is the topic?
True. Roosevelt was are real bears.
You have given the answers here. First,
Teddy
tell.
bear are real bears. No, sir.
Huh?
False.
Yes,
Sir, President Roosevelt was which country's
Sir, false.
from America, from USA. Okay, from America, from USA, United States of America. Roosevelt, President Roosevelt. Right. Now we have teddy bears are real bears. They are not real bears because they are stuffed bears. Now stuffed means filled.
Yes, sir.
No teddy bear in your house and all. You must have seen that. No, somebody has very good that many of you have given the answer. Correct answers you have given. Second one, President Roosevelt shot a bear.
True.
He refused to shoot a bear.
Yes, sir. True, sir.
True.
He refused to shoot a bear. No? So he did not shoot a bear.
False, sir.
False.
False. Answer is
Then
false.
teddy bears are named
The
after
answer is
Roosevelt.
false.
It
False.
is true.
Teddy
Yes,
bears
true.
are named after
False.
president.
The president liked his nickname. He did not like his nickname. That is, see, many of you are given, some of you are given wrong answers also. Okay, I'm just like looking at your answer. Ritvik has given a wrong answer. B is wrong. B is false. Ritvik. Ritvik, I'm looking at all of your answers. Ishan, it's correct. All your answers are correct. See, you can give your answers in chat box. Very good. That many of you are using chat box. I can see, yes. A false, right? B is also false, right? Yes, Atharva, you are given, Atharva wrong. Second one is wrong. Bimuk, right. Bimu Kumar only false he has given. Okay, right. I can see many of you are giving correct answers. Very good. Very good. Nidhi, right. Yes. Then Bhunesh, very good. Rutvik, it's correct now. Nikhil Totga, C is right. Yes. Right, right. Yes. Prudvi, right. Nitin, you are right. Yes. Okay. Yes. Varun, you are written all right, correct answers. So I can
Sir,
see
let's go
that
to
some.
the next one.
We'll go to the next one now. Okay, we'll go to the second. Are you ready for second one now?
Yes,
Snowflakes.
sir. Sir, I will read, sir. Sir, shall I read, sir?
Sir,
Now
Satvik, sorry,
those who
sir.
are not read last time, they will be reading.
Sir,
Sir, I
sir,
not read, sir.
Okay, Mr.
I
Satvik.
read,
I will
sir.
read, sir. Shall I read,
Sir,
sir?
Satvik.
Yes.
I read. Sir, I read.
One at a time.
Sir, please.
I
Once
read, sir.
somebody starts,
I will read. Sir, shall I read?
I read.
I will
see,
read. I will read, sir. Please, sir. I will. Sir, can I read, sir? Sir, I will read. Sir,
see
please, sir.
if you do right one at a time, my son.
Nikhil will read.
One at a
Sir,
time.
Nikhil will read. Can you
Yes, you
even
start reading.
travel to find
Sir, I read,
two
sir. Satvik.
snow?
Please, I will read,
Sir,
Satvik,
please,
sir.
I will read, sir.
Satvik.
Sir, shall I read, sir?
Remember,
Sir,
if all of you read, I'll mark you 0
When
marks.
high
sir, I
are
read.
you?
Okay, whenever I ask somebody to read, only that person will
Have
read.
you ever
Ishan,
tried
yes,
find
last time
two
those who have
how far?
written,
Shall
they
I
should not
read?
read now.
Yeah.
Okay, now, yes, Satvik, yes, you start, first paragraph.
Okay, sir.
Satvik will read the first paragraph, yes.
Okay, sir. Have you ever tried to find two snowflakes that are alike? If you have, you will
Satvik.
know.
Wait. Very good. See, the way you are reading, it's a very good. You are using that, intonation. You are using, see, you are reading with what? That falling tone, rising tone, that is required there. Very good. That when you see the first sentence is a question, it's an interrogative sentence. See, grammar, whatever we have been studying, that will be looking at that. Snowflakes. What is snowflakes? It's a noun. Snowflakes is a name, isn't it? It's a noun. We have seen the parts of speech, and
Yes,
this
sir.
one is an interrogative sentence. It's a question now. Yes,
Sir,
very
what
good,
is the meaning of
Satvik.
snowflake?
Yes, go on,
You
Satvik.
will know it's impossible. No, two snowflakes are every identical. The
Ever
reason
identical.
for this
Ever identical.
ever identical. The reason for this is a mystery. The excited Wilson Bentley to such an extent that he dedicated his life to saving every snowflake he could find.
Very good.
I
Okay.
will read next passage, sir.
Next one, who is going to write? Aryan. Okay, you are reading Aryan.
Can I read? Sir, I'm
Okay.
sir,
Once
please.
I tell the name,
Sir,
others will not say anything. Okay. All right.
sir,
Read.
can I?
Yes, start.
Sir, we can I read? Bhumika Jindal Patti.
Okay. Nidhi, you will read the third paragraph. Start now.
Sir, I will read the another second
Yes.
paragraph. Sir, shall I read the paragraph?
See, like this, if you do that, then I'll stop this exercise. Right? I have to mark you. I told you, I have to mark you. Okay. Yes. So that's why I'm just keeping with me see here. Can you see here what I'm keeping here? Nominal, yes. Nominal rule. I am marking you. Right? So that's why whoever I'm asking you to read. Okay. Aryan. Okay. Aryan, start. Yes, Aryan.
February 9, 1865, in Jericho, Vermont, Wilson Bentley loved snow. He tried drawing snowflakes, but they always melted before he finished. When he was 17, his parents bought him a special camera with a microscope. Now he could photograph snowflakes.
Okay, fine. Yes, Aryan. See, all of you practice at home. Okay. all of you practice reading at least this paragraph again and again, read 2 times, 3 times, then your reading will be better. Okay. This is instruction for everybody. Yes, Anuradha, third one, third paragraph. Read that third paragraph. Anuradha, read that paragraph.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I can read.
Okay, Simon.
Sir, you told the third one to read me, sir.
Okay. Yes, but you are.
Of
Sir, can I not read?
sir,
Okay,
I
read.
am reading, sir.
Okay, read then.
Everyone could see the beauty of each snow crystal. Unique designs that
Unique designs.
would
Unique
never
designs.
Of each snow crystal.
Yes.
would
That
never
would
happen again.
happen again. When he was 64,
Yes, Bhumika and Anuradha, both you are trying to read. Yes, there is a race going on between two. Okay, Bhumika, you read. Okay, try.
his book
Bhumika.
Snow
Right.
Crystals published. Belly, the snowflakes man had
Yes.
Shall I read?
Read. What happened?
Now
Okay.
everyone could see the
Bhumi.
beautiful
a great gift to
snow
the world.
unique
Oh,
designs that would never happen again. When he was 64, his book Snow Crystal was published. Wilson Bentley, the snowflakes man, had given a great gift to the world.
Shall I read?
okay, fine. Yes. Now enough. Now, okay, reading is over now. Okay, let's move on to the questions that are there on this particular passage. Right? Yes. Yes. Now let's see the questions that are there on this passage. Okay, we'll go to those questions. Now let's you try to give answers to these questions. The first one, what is that? Is it possible to find two snowflakes that are alike? Now, what is snowflakes? Snowflakes are no snow pieces. Okay, yes, snowflakes. Now, can you yes? Is it possible to find two snowflakes that are alike? Like they'll be floating in the air, snowflakes.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir, it is not possible.
It's not possible, right? They are not identical. Identical, that is a synonymous of like. Okay, very good. No, sir. Tanmay has given the answer. No, sir. Okay, right. You are absolutely right. Where and when was Wilson Bentley born? Where he was born? Winton, yes, he was born where? Yes, Satvik, very good answer. Okay, where was he born? He was born where? Wilson Bentley Loud Snow.
Born in the snowfalls.
Ah, he was born in Jericho. Where? Jericho. Name of the place is given here. Jericho. Yes. When you are writing, you can write just Jericho. Okay. Or Vermont. You can write Jericho, Vermont. You can write or in Jericho. Then when he was born, where he was born, that is the answer. When he was born
February
on
9th,
9th
1865.
February
On 9 February
9th February
1865.
1865.
1865.
Okay.
February.
Very good.
9th February 1865.
Bhunesh, why are you doing like that? Who is that boy who is doing that? I told you I'll be marking less. Yes, you will be getting 0 marks in that case if somebody keeps on just yes disturbing others. Okay, 9th February. Very good, Nidhi. You have given right answer. 9th February 1865. Okay, and where that you can mention the name of the Jericho in Vermont. Very good, Guraj. Jericho in Vermont. So good that you are using the yes prepositions also. Rutvik also has written correct answer. Very good. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. To what did Bentley dedicate his entire life? His life was dedicated to what? Okay, his entire life was dedicated to what? Now, Bentley dedicated his life to what? Let's go to that. His entire life was
Studying on the
dedicated to
snowflake.
Collect snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
yes. That he
Dedicated his life
dedicated his
to
life to saving
saving
every
every
snowflake
snowflake he
he
could
could
find.
find. So he's dedicated his life to snowflakes. Very good. So okay, now let's go next one. How did Wilson preserve the snowflakes? How
He
did
drew
he?
them
So
and
what
took
did he?
pictures.
Yes. How did he preserve? So it's how did he preserve? So preserving, so saving is preserving only. Saving snowflakes. Somebody is saying saving. See, what is the answer that you have to play? See here, not everyone could see the beauty. So unique designs that would never happen. So how did he do that? See, he tried drawing snowflakes. How did he preserve? By drawing snowflakes. Not saying, see, somebody has written the answer by the camera, but they always melted before he finished. So he was drawing. Then his parents bought him a special camera, so he could photograph
Special
snowflakes.
camera, he could photograph snowflake.
So he photographed, yes. He photographed the snowflakes. He drew snowflakes, yes. Right. So what he has done afterwards, that he was when he was 64, he published his book. And what is the name of the book? Name of the book is yes, no.
sir.
Who is that fellow who is trying? Yes,
Sir, your presentation is gone.
Vidyavan.
somebody has tried
Snow
something.
crystals.
Yes,
Harsha Vidyavan has trying to the presenting.
yes. Who is doing?
Harsha Vidyavan.
When your screen goes, it comes Harsh Vidyavan is the presenter.
Harsh Vidyavan. Okay, I'll note down that. Harsh,
Sir,
what are you
Vidyavan
trying, Harsh?
saying
Yes.
before also, sir.
Right. Okay, don't worry, Harsh. See here, I have already pointed out to you that discipline is very, very important here. Okay. Yes. He's waiting in the lobby, Harsh. He has gone out. Very clever, Harsh. Yes, Harsh Vidya. Yes. This is a last warning to you. Okay.
Sir, he has scared and gone, sir.
I know, I know. Don't. He has tried something. Yes, Harsh. Now, okay. Once again, he has joined.
Sir, he was telling not visible again and again in previous class.
Okay. What was Wilson Bentley's nickname? What was his nickname? What was his nickname?
Flake man.
No,
Okay.
no,
Flick.
Snake Man.
Okay. Now here let's go to next one. State whether the following statements are true or false. All snowflakes are alike. Yes. Not
No.
identical,
False.
alike.
False,
Okay, very
sir.
good.
False.
Ah. Wilson Bentley had a special camera with a microscope.
True.
True, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Okay, next. He made a drawing of all the snowflakes he collected. That is false. No, not all. Because he went on clicking the photographs. Did he do that drawing of all the snowflake? Is it true?
No, sir.
Just find out that whether it's
Sir.
He kept melting.
okay.
False, sir.
It was coming
64
to
is
the
book
many
Snow. Okay, at the age of 64 that was published. Correct? No.
Sir.
True.
True, sir.
Ah, okay.
True, sir.
You have to make meaningful sentences. That will be your homework. Okay. So with this, we have completed this particular chapter. Yes.
Sir, repeat once again what